It's R at R&M Homestead. I'm going to give you a quick update on the compost. Just cleaned out that bin there, which that stuff used to be in there. The majority of that is either what I cleaned out of this bin, the big stuff that still needs to be broken down, or the stuff I started 1 month ago. And a lot of this stuff is looking really good. That's less than 30 days of composting. Now, why I did what I did here was I do turn this every 3 to 5 days. If it hasn't rained in a while, I'll spritz it before I turn it just to get some moisture in there. Another thing I'll do is I'll take some scrap cardboard boxes and throw them in there, and that helps retain some of the moisture. And you don't want a lot of water, you don't want soaking wet compost, but you do want moisture because that helps with the breaking down process. Now, when I turned this, or when I was moving this, there were sections in there that weren't done yet. So that's why I do a full pull out and put into another bin, just to make sure I won't be adding anything else to this bin other than maybe the leftover big stuff from there. But I may just throw that into the new bin anyway. But mainly, I do a full pull out just to make sure I didn't miss anything. When I'm in there turning, I don't like pulling in and out and in and out. And that's the downfall to these type bins here, is you don't have a lot of room to turn. And if you're doing large amounts of compost kind of like that, what happens is everything comes out here. But mainly what I'm going to do now is let this rest. As it rests, it should start compacting some. I'll take this stuff that's in the front and scoop it up to the top. But other than that, I'm going to let this go. And near the end of June, it should be ready to be sifted through. So that's compost, about 6 to 7, maybe even 8 wheelbarrows full of compost in under 2 months. This bin here should gain me roughly the same amount that bin over there that I just cleaned out, which was 6 to 7 bins. So that's my next goal, is to clean that one out and then start filling this up again. We had 2 mows worth of grass put in here, and a trash can and a half full of compost waste. I'll put some wood chips in there just to give it some extra fluff. I have a pile over there that I'll shred up. One thing is I've been pulling out sticks. Sometimes the kids will throw sticks in there, so I have a little stick pile in here, bark, stuff like that. That's all going to hit the shredder or be burned. I'll throw the ashes from the burn pit in here. We have eggshells. Definitely suggest crushing your eggshells, but that's simple compost. If you can get it going and keep an eye on it, you can get a decent amount of compost in a short period of time. There's places out there that say you should let it rest for 3 months, 6 months. To be honest with you, it will break down more, and I do put the good stuff into another bin over there that we can use. So it's kind of doing a resting phase there as well until we need it. But I put some of this stuff right in with our potatoes last night. But that's simple, easy composting. Anyone can do it. All you need is 3 pallets and you can start composting away. All right, that's I'm out. Happy homesteading and God bless.